Hi, this is Neeraj Jaiswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to create a story tab. Basically, I'll be creating a story scene where I'll be populating the description, title, the time, published date, and everything on that particular screen of the feed item which is clicked. So let's get started. We'll first need to create a new scene. I'll name it as story and then I'll open that screen. So once that is done, I'll just add a panel. I'll keep the panel as a white background. So I'll just change the alpha here and then what I need to do is basically add I'll add a image which will be on right on top here. I will just set the preset to align on top here, and then the next thing I need to add this thing the title. So I'll have a place to add the title here. This again I'm going to align it to the top and then bring it here down. I'll increase the size of it a bit. I'll use best fit and bold. I'll just skip some space on the left and right padding, slight padding. Next thing is I'll add something for this I'll be title, so I'll just name it as title for my reference, and then the next one will be the publish date, so that I can keep it small. Again, I'll choose this one only. I'll just use the presets only for the time being. I'll keep it here. This I'm going to align it to the top and the left. Similarly for this I'm going to align it to top and to the left, and I'll keep it like at whatever value it is. I'll just set the padding and left and right to 10, and then what I'm going to do is right now this is white, but this side what I'm going to do is the description. I am going to add the description. So that will be another text, basically text box. Again, now this time this one I'm going to align it to the bottom. So again, left and right I'll align it as 10, and I'll use best fit for this. And I'll align it vertically. I'll align it to the middle, and horizontally left aligned. So this should be fine, looks good. Next is I'm going to add a button. I'll add a panel at the bottom which will hold those buttons basically. So it will be bottom aligned button, and here and slightly decrease it. Now this panel will be having two buttons. One will be to go back to the home screen and another will be to visit this particular story. So to do that, first let me add one layout to it. Horizontal layout group I'll add. I'll basically increase the controllers layout using the child control size, and I'll add one more button to it. Yes, this is fine for me now. Now here the text will be back, and for this one it will be visit story. Or I can just move. I'll just visit the story only, visit link. So now once this is done, I can just increase the size of the button. So I can use this, or I'll just limit it to 32. I'll rather 24. Yeah, this looks good. And the back also I'll limit it to best fit, but 24. But I will not, I'll leave it as it is, or I can, and this button I will going to give it a bit of color. Somewhat, so that or rather I'll give it a blue color, a tinge of blue somewhere on this side, and text color I can give it white. Looks good now. So this looks good. I will save it now, and the design looks okay to me right now. Everything is there, all the components are there. So this is the title basically, this is the published date, this is the description, and let me align this to top rather than bottom. This will look better. If something is there, we will just check it out once I'm running, and then so the user interface is almost done. So let us run it and see how it looks. Here it is running, looks great. I'll just change the aspect and see. It's okay. So all the different aspects, like it works perfectly, it's fine. So that's all in this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.